Hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed while loop, for loop in shell programming. In today we'll discuss some more concepts related to shell programming. The first, here we are discussing the one command name, that is the base name. The purpose of using this base name command is changing the file name extensions. They are useful in changing the extensions of group of files. Base name extracts the base file name from an absolute path name. We'll see the one example here. As I taken the one example, there is a base name home user test pl. Now this command, that is a base name, will extract the base file name, that is a test.pl from absolute path name. So this way we can use the base name command. Now one more example we'll have. Base name test2.doc and doc means now it will strip off a doc here and only extract the base file name, that is the test2 here. Only test2 here. This is one more use of the base name command. And we can also change the file extensions, renaming the file name extension from .txt to .doc here. And it's a simple for loop here. I think already we discussed this one in previous video, how we can use the for loop. For file in .txt, nothing but this for loop will iterate with respect to the variable file and it will take the input from this one, I mean star.txt. Whatever the file we are giving the extension .txt, that will be processed. Now left name is equal to a base name, nothing but this command we are executing. Assume that this dollar is in the evaluating. What we are evaluating? File is nothing but here. So what we are given the file name, say for example abc.text. So that abc.text will be taken as the base file name. The same thing we are moving. See that mv is nothing but moving, or also we can rename here. What is the file name we wanted to take? That is the file is nothing but abc.txt. That one we are renaming left name .doc. Nothing but what is the left name? This with respect to this command substitution, we got the corresponding file name, nothing but abc. That abc.doc will be appear here. So this way we can use the base name here. Next we will use the set and shift commands. So as the heading indicates here, manipulating the positional parameters. I think already we discussed what do you mean by positional parameters. These positional parameters are used as part of the command line arguments. Like if I'm using the one command, just we can find it here. If set 987623456213, here set is nothing but always it is 0th positional command to be executed, and this one is the first argument, this is the second argument, and this is the third argument here. So this is the, in this case we are using the positional parameter. Now we'll check this. What is the purpose of using the set? The set statement assigns the positional parameters, that is the position parameter 1, position parameter 1 and so on to its argument. This is used for picking up the individual fields from the output of the program. Now how we can use that set command? This is the example. Set, I taken the, this is the one argument, this is the another argument, this is the another argument. after setting this one, if I press the enter key, then you are getting the prompt with the cursor blinking. Now it also sets the other position parameters, that is nothing but the whole complete string. This is nothing but, as we are already familiar with this, I mean the total number of arguments, and this is the one string we can take it. Okay. Now echo $1, and this backslash will suppress the meaning of this dollar. Otherwise, it will be treated as a variable evaluation. So to suppress that one, we are using the backslash here. $1 is the, again it is a $1, nothing but we are accessing the first positional parameter, and here we are accessing the second positional parameter, and here we are accessing the third positional parameters. Now actually the typing mistake. $1 it is supposed to be $1. Yes, is there. $1 is the 9876. $2 nothing but this one, earlier this one. Second $2 is 2345, this one. $3 nothing but third positional parameter is 6213. So that means set is already setted. This is the first positional parameter, this is the second positional parameter, and this is the third positional parameter. Okay, this way we can use the set command. Now echo, it will show the total number of arguments. The dollar with the hash symbol arguments are, see that, the 3 arguments, because 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 arguments. Are, what are the 3 arguments? 9876, 2345 and 6213 here. So this way we can use the set command. Next, one more use of the set command is in the command substitution method. This backcode, this is what I can call as a backcode. This is the one character, this is the another character. In between, whatever the command we can insert it, that is what we can call as a command substitution method here. Next, echo, then I'll display in this complete string with respect to the command substitution. Nothing but it will display the current date and time. That is the Monday, October 8, 8 o'clock, 2 minutes 45 minutes, IST 2007. Now, I set it. Now, this Monday will be taken as the first positional parameter, nothing but $1. October is second positional parameter, and 8 is the third positional parameter, and this 8, 2, 4, 5, this is completely only hour, minutes and seconds. This will be $4, and IST will be $5, and 2007 will be $6. Now we check it whether we are getting the right output or not. The date today is, yes, $2. What is the $2? As I told already, it is October. Here we got it, October. $3 is nothing but 8, so we got it here, 8. Next, what is the $6 value? That is 2007. That one we got it, because already for this output we set it the positional parameters by using the set command here. So this way we can use the set command. Next, shift, as the name indicates, shifting the argument to the left. I think you are familiar with in logic design or in CO. Yes, how we can shift the left shift and right shift bit operations. Just like that. Okay, shift transfers the contents of the positional parameters to its immediate lower numbered one. This is done as many times as the statement is called. When called once, $2 becomes $1, $3 becomes $2, and so on. We'll see that what exactly we are doing with respect to the set command here. Again, date. So as we know that instead of this is a separate strings, is treated as single string, dollar with the rate. Again, we are getting the Monday, October 8, 8 o'clock, 2 minutes 45 minutes, IST 2007. Next, echo, what is this? $1 is nothing but Monday. $2 is nothing but October. $3 is nothing but 8. That I got it. Now if I use the shift command, yes, echo $1, $2, $3, it's the same statement what I used here. Now just to compare this output and this output. Here as I got the Monday October 8, but here as I got the October 8 with time, nothing but $1 is now shifting to is S2. I mean S2 becomes S1, means S2 is assigned to S1, okay, and S3 is assigned to S2. This is the continuation, okay. So that is the reason whatever the value hold by S2 will become S1, whatever the value hold by S3 will become S2. That is the reason we got it here. Now S1 is October instead of Monday, and S2 is 8. It is actually third it is, and S3 there is a fourth one actually in the list, okay. So this way we can use. Now if I mention the 2, shift 2 means it will take the 2 places, I mean 2 position at a time. Just we can compare this output and this output here. $1 is directly pointing to time value, that is the timing value. With respect to this one, 1, 2, and this is the shifted values, okay. And I hope you got it. The first parameter value will be second positional parameter, that is nothing but hour, minute and seconds, okay. And here how we can use as a part of the programming here. This is a simple program. This shell script is requiring the 2 command line positional parameters. Just you can find it the usage. It is a command to be executed, then file name and pattern what you wanted to search. If I given this way, only I given the file name, but I could not given the pattern. So it is give the insufficient number of arguments. Nothing but this statement is executed. Next, if I given the employee.sh, employee.lst with some patterns like Rakesh 10069877, and one more as I pass employee.lst Shukla, and this is the one more thing as I given, okay. Now if I execute these both the lines, I got the output is there. This is the with respect to this one, Rakesh. Rakesh is the pattern. Yes, can you find the Rakesh? No. So we are getting 10, no. Next 987, no. So these patterns are not, does not exist. I taken the one in the file employee list. Then I taken the Shukla 2233. So these values will be taken here. The first positional parameter is nothing but file name, that is employee.lst. Next we are shifting. What we are shifting? That is the x2 value will be assigned to S1. Nothing but S2 value is nothing but currently it is Shukla. This is S1, this is S2, and this is S3. Now S2 value is assigned to S1 because due to shift. Okay. Now, so with respect to this one, we are getting the Shukla 2233. That is nothing but pattern we are searching. Then one more thing we need to observe here. In this for loop is executing the pattern in @ This is the complete string. Nothing but this Shukla 22334379. What this value is currently held by this one. Now we are executing by using the grep command. What is the pattern we are taken here? That is the pattern is nothing but either it is a Shukla or 2233 or 4379. Then what is the file name here? What is the file name we taken? That is assigned by the $1. Nothing but employee.lst. In that we are searching here. Yes, if that pattern is existing in that file, it will display the output. Like Shukla is there in this, 2233 is there, but this is 4379 is does not exist in employee.lst. So that is the reason this statement is executed. Pattern not found. So that is pattern 4379 is not executed.